Hey, Edgar's from Funneltopia here. A quick feature update under Invoices in Funneltopia. You now have the ability to create invoices with a $0 price point, whatever your currency is. First question is, why would you do that? Why would you have an invoice for $0 product? It's just a way to document transactions for things like, I don't know, complimentary services or 100% discount products during a special promotion. It's a good way to keep track of these things for your bookkeeping. And also in case of disputes, it's also good that there's a record being kept. So all kinds of uses, right? Whatever it might be. In your case, maybe there's something I haven't mentioned. But yeah, all kinds of uses. And the way you can do it here is I've opened an invoice, and then you can add an item, whatever it is. Let's say it's a book, save, $10 book. And over here, you click on add discount. You can do percentage or amount. I can just do percentage, 100% discount, save, overall price, $0 instead of 10, right? The original price. Save, send. That's kind of the short version of it. And to create this invoice, if you want to go back, it's under payments, invoices, and then over here you can click on new one, and then either a new invoice, a new recurring template. In this case, I just clicked on new invoice and just created it. So pretty quick and simple. So make sure to go check that out. If you have any questions, over here at the bottom, 24/7 chat support, let us know. We'll make sure to respond as quickly as possible. If you don't have any questions, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.